Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a Graphic 45 junk journal that I've created using the Graphic 45 mixed media album and several different collections from Graphic 45. And oh my gosh, there was a lot of sewing, a lot of distressing, and I can't wait to share it with you. I wanted to add touches of gold, beige, browns, and peach and just infuse them all together using the different collections by Graphic 45. And I will go ahead and post links to everything that I have used in the description area below and also in my blog. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So on the front and back covers, I use papers from the Tropical Travelogue collection, and I've also used an ephemera card here from the Floral Shop collection. And what you see on the top, you have seen that in a different video. That is actually the card that I created using a paper bag, and I will go ahead and link you to that video right up above on the top right hand of your screen. And what I'm showing you there is because the card does open up and it does have a pocket in there, I created a closure using one of the tags by Graphic 45. What I done is I put some Velcro to the back of the tag where the little hole punch or the little hole opening is, and that will contain the card when you open up the pages. And I also glued it in such a way that there is a spot for a pocket behind the card. And now for this next page, I'm using the zebra pattern from the Travelogue collection, and I also decided to pull out the last bits of my Portrait of a Lady paper pad. Now I use that as a background, and I did do some sewing to it, and I'm also using the ephemera cards from Portrait of a Lady. And the stamped images that you see on this page were done with the Graphic 45 Time to Flourish stamps. Now for this page, I decided to use the small policy envelopes by Graphic 45, and I'm also using some of the Graphic 45 packaging to cut some of the tags. And the papers that you see me use here are from Tropical Travelogue and Portrait of a Lady. On here, I've used more of the Tropical Travelogue collection along with the packaging from Graphic 45 to make my tags, and also some ephemera cards from Portrait of a Lady. And the papers used in these two pages are from the Tropical Travelogue and Portrait of a Lady collection, along with a 4x6 Portrait of a Lady ephemera card. And for this tag, I used the Graphic 45 large tag and large tag die papers from the Imagine collection, and I've also made an envelope with the same Imagine collection papers, and I used papers from Portrait of a Lady. And what you will see right at the top and the bottom are borders, and those are from the sticker sheet from the Tropical Travelogue collection. And on this fold out, I did use a magnet and papers from the Tropical Travelogue collection and the Portrait of a Lady. It's the green one that you see there. And I tell you, these Graphic 45 packages are splendid for tag making. I just love them. I love the design. I couldn't help myself. I had to use them. Alrighty, so here are some more tags that I created using the Tropical Travelogue collection, and the wordy paper that you see on the right as the backdrop to the other ephemera card is actually from the Time to Flourish collection. And here is another large tag using the Imagine paper collection, and I've also used the very same Imagine collection to build the backdrop to this beautiful ephemera card. And the ephemera card is from Portrait of a Lady. Now, don't pay too much attention to my sewing. I'm a paper crafter. I'm not a seamstress, but since this is a junk journal, I guess anything goes. Now on this next page has to be my favorite page. For the backdrop, I used a yellow paper from the Floral Shop collection, and of course on top of it is a 4x6 ephemera card from a portrait of a lady, and I got my stitching done right. I guess that's why it's my favorite. On this page, I used a 4x6 ephemera card from the Floral Shop collection, and I also used the Graphic 45 clock die to die cut that piece that you see right there. And here I'm showing you a paper clip that I've altered using the Graphic 45 and Eerie Tale collection. And this paper clip holds the large tag that I made using the Tropical Travelogue papers and the Graphic 45 large tag die. And for my last page, I decided to use that beautiful butterfly print from the Imagine collection. I hope that you've enjoyed my Graphic 45 Shabby Vintage Junk Journal flip through. If you just happen to land on this channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I bring you project shares and tutorials, card making, and mini albums. Thumbs up are appreciated. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I will see you once again in my next video. Bye now.